All right, you guys asked for it.
I have no idea what you guys asked for.
Well, you didn't ask for this in particular, so.
Just more parts.
Yeah, more Mk8 stuff, so.
It's Mk8 something or other. I'm not told what it was. Oh, look. Oh, it's one of these, the wine vouchers. If anybody would like a $100 wine voucher for spending $1,000.
First person to use this gets it, because we will not use it. Wine's nasty.
Wine's nasty. Oh, a cold air intake.
Wait, why'd you read the packing slip? Why didn't you just open it?
Because I wanted to know what it was.
It's not like it says it all over the box.
Oh, I saw air.
Advice for anybody out there who's using scissors. Always cut towards yourself.
I'm not cutting toward myself.
You're not cutting away from yourself.
No. I'm cutting to the side. This is a small box.
It's not the biggest.
It's an empty box.
No, it was probably for that filter. It just came out.
Oh, so cool.
So that's our new cold air intake. We're going to get all of the flow out of this.
It's a new system.
So the brand is Leo. I've never used any of their products, so this will be a first for me. We are going to finish unboxing this, and then we'll throw it on the car and show you the process on a Mk8. I can't imagine it's terribly difficult because it's pretty similar to the Mark 7. So we'll get that thrown on and go for a couple drives and see if we can notice a difference in at least the sound. So you're not going to hear too much of a difference at idle. This is your stock air box. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a couple revs and we shouldn't really hear anything. So you hear just a light amount of intake noise. But nothing too noticeable. It's a stock air box. It's made to be quiet and comfortable for the driver, and that's exactly what it does, and we want to change that. So what this kit is going to do is pretty much take this entire stock air intake unit, throw it away, and put a new one in, and it'll have a bigger diameter inlet pipe along with a bigger inlet from the filter. So without a tune or without anything else, you are not really going to benefit performance-wise from this. It's going to be more aesthetic and audible, you could say. It's like an exhaust. An exhaust in and of itself just is going to sound better. It's not actually going to give you better performance factor out of the box until you get a tune. And that goes with pretty much any modification you do to your car. She's breast pumping right now.
I'm pumping for the baby, okay?
And we are going to go ahead and start taking this apart while she finishes up doing that. So looks like what we're gonna have to do, unclip this just like on a Mark 7. This comes off just like on a Mark 7. And then that hose clamp down there, zoom in for you guys, also comes off just like on a Mark 7.
Don't mind the music that you guys can hear.
You mean your breast pumps?
Yeah.
What we were doing is just taking off that hose clamp that was right in the back. Right now I'm just trying to loosen it. These ones are always a pain in the butt. They suck. Once you can get it loose enough, you can rotate it over and finish it off from up top. And all you need to do is just get it loose enough to pull it off. That's what she said. After that,
I hope you're not pulling it off. That's probably not healthy.
pops off just like so. And then there's gonna be a little bit of oil in there. That's normal. It's turbocharged motor. Yep. should just pop up like so. Don't mind my rag for checking oil levels. It's just something I do. Just pop that rubber grommet up. Pop that one up. Then this one. And then this will just rotate out just like that. That's it. You've got the old airbox out. Time to assemble the new one and put her in. So when you order this kit, you're gonna get your new cone filter. You're gonna get your new pipe. This goes in the new airbox for your filter to actually clamp to. And then some silicone hoses and new rubber grommets for the box below. And this little guy. This little guy will go right there, right where we unplugged the airbox. It literally just pops on just like that. And then what you're gonna wanna do is tuck him someplace safe, keep him from getting torn up and all that. I'm gonna leave him just right off to the side until we get the airbox in. Once we get the airbox in, we'll find a permanent spot for him to rest. So we're gonna come over, we're gonna get this pipe that says air. You know, it probably does what it says, air. And put them somewhere out of the way. And then we're going to take the airbox and put in the new rubber grommets. Along with the rubber grommets, you are going to get a little bracket that will go right on the side of the airbox. It'll go right there on that side of the airbox. So this is how that bracket is going to fit up. We're going to go ahead and tighten these up. I'll let you know what size they are. And then put the rubber grommet in and throw the airbox into the car.
All right.
We're currently trying and struggling to get this intake elbow on. And
so the intake elbow goes on the inside.
And it faces downwards like that. And then the filter will slip on over that. And then this hose will run out to the stock little hose that goes into the intake manifold.
Oh, you guys, there's this hose right here. We're gonna connect it to right here, like so. Super easy. There's a clamp there, clamp here. And you're gonna take this Johnny, figure out which way it goes. Like that.
Nope.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Yeah, I do.
I don't, I promise you.
I do.
No. What do you mean?
Exactly what I just said. You're special.
I'm special?
Yes.
Anyways.
Dropped a freaking screw into here. I'm
I
telling
did not.
the YouTube.
I didn't
you
do
did.
that. Are you gonna get that on there?
No, I don't want to break nothing.
Okay, you want a hand?
No.
Okay. Oh, you're almost there. Oh,
I'm just gonna give it a good.
Come on, little boy. Come on, what are you doing?
Trying to get this on.
Massage. Gentle persuasion.
Massage.
You're gonna break something now. Well, we've got everything mostly tightened up. We have not put the cover on yet. Filter is on. Elbow is connected and tightened. And then you're also going to get this little rubber strip, like a little weather stripping. That's going to go up there, just keep it from rattling. You also get a lovely thank you card, which is pretty awesome. Nice little silver flake to it. This is going to be our cover.
My hair's fluffy today.
Says air on it again.
Like everything else?
Yep. And it's just going to literally go right on top. So we've now got it all complete. Everything is in there, ready to go. We're going to open up the garage door and give her a little test run.
Oh, yeah.
It makes a bigger difference at idle than I thought it was going to.
Yeah, more than the IE intake for the Mark 7.
And that looks pretty damn good.
Pretty.
So this is one with the hood shut. See how well you can hear it.
Pretty loud.
Sorry the lighting isn't the best, but it's kind of what we got to work with right now. We just have spent the evening with the cold air intake, and I will say on idle and lower end, it is definitely more audible. You can definitely hear it, and you can hear Paisley grunting in the back seat. You don't hear it so much in top end or higher gears, but up till like 4th gear, you can hear it pretty well.
Hey guys! Okay guys, Austin asked me to film the outro, he is right here, of the Mark 8 intake video, and I'd say works pretty good as a Christmas present. It's not an IE intake, which was on my Mark 7. It makes a different sound. It's a little more airy, but the quality of the intake is very nice. So it's more of a metal bits instead of, what is it, silicone? What's the other one made out of?
The other one is made out of aluminum and silicone.
And silicone. But there's more silicone parts in the other one, I think. No? Anyways, I think the quality is better than the intake of IE, from IE.
Not dogging on IE stuff. I do like their stuff.
I really like their stuff.
But as far
and I
as
really
the
like the
intake
sound.
goes, it looks a lot nicer.
Yes. It does not include the front bit to allow more airflow through the Mark 8.
What
like
she
the IE
means by that
does.
is the air dam that attaches to the front of the grill, like on the Mark 7s. It doesn't come with that. The Mark 8 is designed differently in that aspect. You really only get the little bit that connects to the air box anyways. So
Yeah. But that being said, he said it doesn't need it, so it doesn't need it. But I really like it. I'd say it's a product that I would buy. I don't know how much it was though, so
it's just as much as an IE intake. It's
so
like
it's fine.
20 bucks cheaper.
So yeah, overall I'd say it's a good quality part and makes different sounds, but that could just because it's a Mark 8 instead of a Mark 7. Not really sure, but I'd say it's pretty good. Anything to add?
You got 400 bucks burning a hole in your pocket?
Do it.
Yeah. It's a pretty easy mod if you're entering the car scene. If you've already been in the car scene, it is an easy mod. It's something that'll change your driving experience and overall is worth the money. It's a better intake if you do get a tune, you will get more out of it because of the intake. So,
well guys, other than that, like, comment, and subscribe.
And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Peace.